Really unhappy noise, but whatever. Rev it! Rev it! Rev the motor! Okay. That's a quality vehicle right here. Hit the brakes! Hit the brakes!
I did.
Hit them again?
I am.
It's doing a thing.
The radio's waking up and starting to make it.
Turn left.
Oh, yeah, I got it in the interior.
Which way?
Left.
Left?
Left.
Left's not doing much. Try right.
Right.
Hey, right's doing stuff. Let me go up front. Try left. Hey, try right. Hey, look at there. Quality vehicle. High quality Dodge. Radio's making noises and things. Is it on FM?
No, that doesn't seem to work.
Does it have an antenna? It does not have an antenna.
That's why FM doesn't work.
Do I have an antenna anywhere? Can we steal Doug's? No, we can't steal Doug's. Doug's doesn't have an antenna. What about mine? Hey, mine has an antenna. Let's walk over to my truck. I paid 5 times as much for this truck. I'm not talented enough. Yep, that won't just come off. So that's a failure. Let's see if we can find a piece of metal to shove down there. It's just me, or is the noise getting better? I definitely don't think it's enough.
I don't need it.
Hey, a piece of metal.
No.
A dipstick.
The lights are pulsing.
Yeah.
The radio screams to it.
Can you hear it? Hold on, let me open the door. Oh yeah. Antenna. There we go. I don't think it likes the modification to the electrical system. Oh wow. Hold on. Hold on. We should probably put water in it.
So, the truck's officially profitable.
Oh yeah. That there's an $800 file. Never mind the running truck. Is it a good file?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it's a Nichols. That's a high quality file. Wow.
Oh, nope, that was all I had.
Wiggle the switch up and down.
That was all I had.
Oh, good. They're auto returning. It's fine. Noise is different. But like a good different. That has to be an exhaust plate.
Yeah, it's better.
Why does this stupid thing run this good?
Because it's a slant.
Cover the breather hole on the back, see if it makes a difference. With your thumb, yeah, leave that there. Wow. Wow.
This is not nicer than my daily.
Which daily? Which broken daily are you referring to, sir?
The 68.
Oh, the 68's proven itself. It is currently nicer than the 94, though.
It is, yeah.
I wonder how much gas it has.
Well, the gauge reads nothing.
other. Ah! This is good stuff. I think we need to go hop in there and put it over to the hose. Drive is not where drive should be. I got you. Let me get the container of fuel out. Let's try that. Okay, or don't. That's all you got. Oh, failure. Hey. Oh, hello. Hello, Black. Give us some gas. Oh, he failed again. Not enough gas. I don't know what that smell is, but it's not pleasant. Come on, baby. So close. Cut the headlights off. Might help. Just mirrored did it idle up when he cut the headlights off. Sounded like it did. Where's he going, folks? The hose was here. I don't know where he's gone. Oh, he's gonna stall it in my front yard. That way all the neighbors can know what kind of quality person they got living next door. He'll get there. Don't worry about him. Is it a knocking? Is it an exhaust leak? Sounds more knocking now. Go back further. You got this. I have faith. I have less faith. Much less faith. Oh, still in gear. Give it a minute. Try it now. Floor it. Oh yeah, that's what that motor needs. RPM. Gotta give us some gas, man.
It doesn't want gas.
It wants to die, but that's not the point. Get it. Oh no, we lost our antenna. That's good. Slanger in park. I don't think the inside door handle works very well. I can't decide if it sounds more bottom end or more exhaust out.
I don't know. It doesn't take thrust.
Not a fan of load, you say?
Yeah.
Grab the hose. Let's cut on the water. This is a A+ advantage. Ready?
Yep.
Say when. That good?
No, leave it on. I got it.
He's got it, ladies and gentlemen.
No, leave it on.
I did. It's cold. What do you want from it? I think it was a little low. So that it's not not a good sign. That's not good.
No, it's fine.
You're supposed to do that, is it?
Yeah. That's just the jigglation.
Is it?
But yeah, because look, if I put my hand under it, no pressure. It's just the jigglies. It's a very jiggly engine.
Might it be no pressure because there's a hose next to it?
No. Look, I'll keep the hose.
Or you won't, you know.
That's fine.
Well, let's slap the cap on her. Wow, there was coolant in there. I turned green. Wow. It's a quality vehicle. Sadly, you lost our antenna, though.
Doing
I know what we need for an antenna. Grayson, retrieve a flag.
It is the irrigation truck.
Yes.
Blue things up
We had a small surplus of flags. Oh yes, a blue one. It's much. No, leave the flag. Come on now. Needs to be quality. Does it work? Oh yeah. That's quality.
Oh yeah.
I feel like that's getting stolen. Oh wow. Vintage safety. It's currently more safety than we have in the shop, like any shop.
Oh, that's the wrong side.
Oh yeah.
I used to go to the shop because we need them.
This is a quality vehicle. Grayson,
Yep.
the noise is gone.
Well, it's either.
That is an exhaust leak 100% now. Here it's got swagger with some pop. You know what it might be? It might be that little air injection line on the cap.
Being that they've clogged the or cut off the precap plate. Also, quality. Also, assuming this has a cap.
It does, I look.
I bet that has some salt.
You can't say meth-head. Unsensitive, insensitive, whatever the word is.
Individual partaking of the methamphetamines.
Fair. Why do I have flags on? I don't know. I do though. That's where I am. I don't know what to do now. This was supposed to be harder.
Not really building head pressure.
That's a good thing.
That's a factory hose.
Yes, it is.
Wow.
Factory-ish anyway. You know, it's old, sad.
It's got a bit in it. That's got to be like
A very vibrating slant.
And look, the fan does stuff.
Kinda. The fan keeps spinning 5 minutes after you cut the motor off.
I need a
But, you know, stick. Oh God, he's gonna do something dumb. That's a hose, not a stick.
It's fine.
And now it's broken. It's a broken hose.
No, it's fine.
It's really not. It's slowed down quite a bit.
It's fine. It never cut you.
Didn't pass the hot dog test, you say?
Well, remember my 2J, I can stop it with my hand.
Call that TJ power. Transmutation.
To have this, it didn't feel like it had this.
There's really ugly liquid in there.
Look at some like 30 weight.
30 weight, you think?
Did it come with any like random food?
Sadly, no. Feels like it's got power steering. What do you mean?
Oh, maybe
It's probably just the, idle RPM. I mean, you can one finger it now.
Oh, price for quality. Oh, this was on the road in 2012.
Oh, well, this is nothing then.
Well, it stands for 09. The sticker goes for 12.
Okay, so that's a little better then. What's it smell like? Give us the old sniff test. Smell too much like gas?
Yeah, it's kind of.
I have gas here. In fact, right there. And I know where a funnel is. Wow.
You just say.
It's too much quality. We can't have this. Oh, yep, it's on the wrong side. Or is it the right side? I don't know. I need exercise. Any quality in there? Any good things?
Not really.
Nope. Needs gas. Let's dump gas in it. That'll be a sure way to break it.
Chrysler not giving me any provision.
Sad. Sad. Cheap Chryslers. Cheap.
Well, this was the 80s. They were focused on, you know, not going out of business and cocaine.
Is that all? Sounds more exhaust leaky back here. Oh yeah, he's doing it, ladies. Yo.
Get some spin in there.
See a little siphoning effect. Oh yeah. It's quality TV. I don't care what anyone says. It's just 4 completely different hubcaps on it. Oh no, I lied. I lied. The 2 on this side are Plymouth. 15-inch Plymouth hubcaps.
Those aren't hard to find. Call the trail duster, guys.
A super solid bed, but right there.
All that needs is an ATF treatment, and it's good for another.
Needs an ATF treatment and a plastic bed liner that holds water better than most people's pools. Hey,
You meant for me to pour all of it in there.
well, you know, whatever. It's just gas.
You know, it only costs, well, it costs you money. I'm good.
Yeah, I mean, you know, when you look at it that way, why not? Hey, hit the brakes for funsies with no lights on and see if they do stuff. We got nothing.
Well,
How much you want to bet it needs a brake switch?
it is a Chrysler,
It is a Chrysler.
which means
Expert quality.
the electronics are bad.
Well, no sign off, no nothing. Too much quality in one video. Let's go.